Hey there, I wanted to add this BrainPop movie because it gives great example of the difference between a simile and a metaphor, which will help you with your Kahoot today. Enjoy!
A poem. Can I read it? Hey, it's about Dot's cat. Otto has black fur and sharp teeth. He moves quietly so he can catch stuff. It's, uh, it's fine. Dear Tim and Moby, can you give me some ways to make my poetry better? From Alec. Whether you're writing poetry or prose, poetic devices like similes and metaphors are good ways to improve your writing and make it more interesting. Moby's poem could use a little help from similes and metaphors. A simile is a comparison that uses the words like or as to make a connection between two ideas. Otto has black fur and sharp teeth. Let's work in some similes to make this line more interesting. How about Otto's fur is as black as the night, and his teeth are like toothpicks. How about daggers? Otto's fur is black as the night, and his teeth are like daggers. We're comparing the color of his fur to the color of night, and we don't even need to say that his teeth are sharp, because the image of a dagger does that for us. A metaphor compares two different ideas without using the words like or as. Let's see what we can do about that second line using a metaphor. He moves quietly so he can catch stuff. That's kind of dull. Let's see. How about when he stalks his prey, he is a shadow? Well, metaphors don't always make logical sense. The cat isn't literally a shadow, but comparing him to a shadow is a great way to describe the way he hunts. So, Otto's fur is as black as the night, and his teeth are like daggers. Those two comparisons are similes because we're saying that one thing is a lot like another thing. When he stalks his prey, he is a shadow. That's a metaphor because we're saying that one thing is another thing. That's a whole lot better. The language is more poetic, conjuring up vivid images in the mind of the reader. Hey, where is Otto anyway? Looks like he got you.
Okay, enjoy!